Hey guys, welcome. Today we have entered to the third day of preparing for our SBI PO exam, and in this day we have to cover the topic error spotting. We can just crack the error spotting in whichever the exam may be, but we have to just know this some topics like tenses, noun, pronoun, singular and plural, adjective and article. When we are thorough with these topics, we can just crack the error spotting with 100% without any error. Okay. Now in this video, I'll tell some of the tips so that it will be helpful for us to crack the error spotting. I'll be telling like 11 to 12 tips so that it is very important to spot the error. Okay. Now let's move with the first one. The noun may be in plural, but the form of the word may be in a singular form. Some may confuse that whether it is a plural or singular. So like that words, we have to be clear with that. So I'll be giving list of words so that you can just look on it. Once you take a look on it, you can remember whenever it will be helpful. Like police, furniture, people, cattle and children. These are some of the words. They are in plural, but these are plural words, but these just looks like a singular form. Okay, right? So let's have a look with an example. For example, people has left. Can you see what is the mistake I have done here? Exactly this word. Because has can be represented for a singular word, but I have mentioned this for a plural word. Okay, like this they may ask in question. So the exact answer is people have left. This is the exact answer. Okay, now I'll be giving some examples in the description box. From that link you can practice more and more questions. So let's move on to the second type. Here the noun takes the plural verb because of their plural form. That is, the noun may look like a plural form, and so that it takes the verb in a plural. So like example, clothes and scissors, amends, thanks. These are all the plural verbs, but this just looks like a singular form, and they'll be asking, like for example, I'll be giving a example statement. The spectacles is missing. They'll be giving like this. So here the mistake is, this is a plural form, so the verb should be in plural word, right? But this is a singular. This can be used for a singular alone. So the answer is the spectacles are missing, right? So these are some mistakes where we'll be doing, and let's look with the third type. Noun with measures. That is, when a noun denoting like weight, numbers, money, length or measures, that it's a following number, the noun form does not change as long as another noun or pronoun is following it. Okay, for example, million, pair, meter, centimeter, like that, like height, year, dozen and etc. Okay, like that. For example, I'll give a statement. He is 150 centimeters tall. Okay, this is a statement. Here the mistake is, this should be a 150 centimeter. Okay, not centimeters. This is how we have to write here. I'll just give an example for another word like pair. I have noticed a pair of duck. Okay, here what is the mistake we have done is, we have given this like a pair, so we should not give this like ducks, a pair of duck. Pair means double, right? So here itself we mention the two. So this is wrong and this is correct answer. So the statement is I have noticed a pair of duck. And the fourth type is when we have a pronoun one in a statement, the whole statement should maintain the word like one. For example, one must give his bread. Let us take like this. But here what we have done is we have used one here, but also we have used like his or him, like these words in the statement. So this is the incorrect, like this is the incorrect statement. So what we have to write is one must give one's bread. Okay, this is how we have to write. Whenever word one as a pronoun it is used in a statement, this word should be maintained all over the statement or paragraph, anything. Okay, and the fifth form where we do mistake is the whose and word. Where should it be replaced or where it should be used, like that questions. The whose should be used for living being, like human, like that. That is for human people only. Okay, not for cat or plants, anything. And which is used for non-living things or animals or like that only. For example, I'll give a statement. Which phone is kept on charging? Right, this is a statement where we have to find an incorrect word. That is which phone. Which phone can mention what type of phone, and for that questions we can use the which phone. But in this question they have been given like kept on charging, right? They are like asking whose phone is kept on charging. So the answer should be whose, because human only have phone, right? So we have to use the whose phone is kept on charging. This is how we have to write. And the sixth type, like fewer and less. Here both the words denotes the same meaning, like both are have the meaning the less, but where we have to use this word a fewer and less. Usually some may be confusing where we have to use less or fewer. Here I'll give a clarity for you. Fewer is a word we can be used in denoting numbers. Okay, you can denote numbers, and less can be mentioned for quantity. Okay, for example, this is a statement asked in a, I think, SBI clerk. Okay, no less than 30 dogs were. Okay, here the word they have used is 30. So this is a number, it is mentioning some number. So we have to write no less than. So we have to change this word as no fewer than, right? Correct? This is how they will be asking in question. No fewer than 30 dogs were. Okay. So let's get into the seventh. It's for interrogative type questions. That is a question mark type questions. If a statement have some question mark and like isn't it, wasn't it, like that. If the statement is positive, the question tag should be negative. If the statement is negative, the question tag must be positive. Okay, this is the rule where what we have to see. For example, I'll give you an example. It's a bit late. Okay, this statement is like positive sentence. This statement doesn't have a word like not or anything. So the answer should be, sorry, the question tag should be isn't it? Okay, here the statement is positive and this tag is negative, so this is a correct statement. And I'll give you another example. Like, there is no need to study, isn't it? Here in this is a statement where this has a negative word no, so the question tag must be in positive, right? So here whether we have to change this statement or this question tag, we can change this question tag as is it, okay, or else we can change this statement as there is a need to study, isn't it? There is a need to study. We have to change either the statement or the question tag. It depends upon the option they give in the example. The eighth type is who or which should not be used in the superlative degree. That is, if a statement has a word that belongs to superlative degree, the statement, that word of a superlative degree should not follow the who or which. That should follow the pronoun that. For example, these are the best which he could get. This is incorrect answer, okay, because this is a superlative word best, so they should not follow the word which or who. The correct answer will be the best that he could get. These are the best that he could get. This is the correct answer we have to use. So remember that whichever the sentence with the superlative degree, that is comparison, that sentence should not have the who or which statement after the superlative word. The ninth tip is the word as is very important, that can be used both front and back of an adjective, okay. The word as can be used in both before and after the adjective word alone to show the equality of that statement. For example, the word adjective is like fast, slow, more, much, isn't it? Okay, now I'll give an example. I can write as fast, if not faster than, her. Here the statement is wrong because here the word fast is adjective, right? So this should follow with the word as. So the answer should be I can write as fast as, if not faster than her, okay? As fast as. This is the correct answer. So let's move with the 10th point. Though should be followed with it, but the though should not follow the word but, okay, because I'll give an example. This is the point you have to remember, okay. In a statement, if the statement consists of though, it should follow with it and it should not follow with but, okay. For example, though he is rich, but he is kind. Okay, this may confuse many of aspirants who are preparing for your competitive exam, so make sure that you are thorough with this concept, okay. Here the statement has but, right? So this is wrong answer. And though he is rich, yet he is kind. This is the way we have to answer for these questions. Okay, let's move on with 11th type. The word not should not be used with unless and until in a statement. If a statement is containing a word unless and until, it should not have not with that statement. In that same statement, the both words should not present, okay? Because unless express a condition that is always use the negative sense. So already unless is a negative way in a sentence, and not is also a negative. Both negative words should not be used in a same sentence. So I'll give you an example. Like unless you do not pay the fine, you will not be excused. Here the statement contains not and unless in the same statement. So this is wrong. Whether we have to use unless or not. So the answer can be unless you pay the fees, that is unless you pay the fine, you will not be excused. This is what we have right. So make sure that you are thorough with these concepts, and we'll be getting into last and final step, which we have to make sure for the error spotting. Sorry, this is not a final step, this is a final point what we have to remember for our error spotting. Okay, the usage of while and when. Some may still confused with these words where we have to use. What is meant by while and where? We have to use this, and which represents the word when. So here the while implies a time duration. Okay, while I am doing this, while I am doing that, while I am playing, like that. And when denotes a general sense, when they have gone, just like that, it's a general. Okay, I'll give you an example. When playing Xbox, the technique is of utmost importance. This is incorrect statement, because here when is mentioned in the statement where the verb playing, that is while you are playing, it is an action, right? It is doing something, playing. So here in the statement we have to use the word while. So while playing Xbox, the technique is of utmost importance. Okay, this is the correct statement. And these are some of the tips where we can crack the error spotting without any mistakes, or even I can tell, like, without any single mistake we can just crack the error spotting with these 12 steps. Okay, that is 12 points. For your practice, I'll be giving more and more questions in the website link, which will be given in the description box. You can open the quiz like format in that website and you can practice yourself. Hope this video will be helpful, and if you have any doubt with any statement, like I'm not sure with this statement whether this is the answer or that is the answer, you can comment the questions in the comment box. Bye bye.